Remote learning on Bloomz can be the simplest thing. You already know how powerful Bloomz is when it comes to communication. Now you can enable remote learning and teaching through Bloom's powerful portfolios feature. These instructions are for your middle, high school, and even upper elementary students. Click on your class page, then click on again settings. Under the edit settings for the student access, choose the middle and high school mode. This is also applicable for upper elementary environment where you want students to have their own unique accounts. If you are comfortable enabling student-to-student communication where they can use the same Bloomz app to message each other through the app, if you're not comfortable with that, you can turn this off and go under the permissions again. Then you can control what can parents do and what can students do. You can also allow parents to add to the portfolios or not. And the students, can they see each other's work? Can they comment on each other's work? And can students submit with or without moderation? Now that you have enabled the individualized student codes, you can go under the Manage section, under the Students, and find all the individualized codes. And you can see those students that have joined, you will see them as joined. And you can simply go under these options and get student access codes, and you also scroll down and then share the codes through whatever current means that you have. Once you give the code to the students, they can go to bloomz.com and click on Join Now and come to this screen, or from their iPads or Chromebooks, they can also access the Bloomz app. Click on the Enter code, type in the student code that was given by you, click on Next, then they can type in the student's email, they can choose the age. If it is below the age of 13 years, then it allows them to enter the parent's email or phone number so that they can get the approval from the parent. If it is above that, then they can simply create the account without requiring parent permission. Let's choose the option of under choosing the parent email. Now at this point of time, an email has been sent to the parent's email. Similarly, if it is phone number, then they get text to approve the permission. So the email looks something like this, requires your approval, and then once you approve the account creation. So now that the parent has approved at the student one at schoolname.com, it would send verification email. Once you verify that email, then you would be able to get inside the app. As a student, you will have experience to connect with your feed, your portfolios, your behavior, and your ability to contribute based on the permissions given to you. On the feed, you will see all the updates posted by the teachers or the administrators of your school. These could be the assignments or school updates, class updates. You will see on the left side the specific classroom. There's also show for all groups. If you're part of multiple classes, you will see them all. You can also, if you're part of multiple classes and you're given different codes, once you create an account here, you could access and add the new class right from here. Please note that that class code also has to be individualized code, not a shared code. To view your portfolios, again, this depends on the configuration of your classroom. In this case, the teacher has allowed the students to collaborate and view each other's portfolios to make comments. So that's why I see my portfolio, and then I also see other students' portfolio. If I click here, then I will jump into my portfolio view. Right now it's empty. I can go in here and add a new work item, select for which classroom I'm doing this. I can take a picture and annotate different things. You can also add voice to this. It becomes a video stream. Optionally, the student can also add videos, files. They can block comments and then post it. So now this portfolio is waiting for approval. Once the teacher approves it, it gets permanently posted to the portfolio. In addition to this, students can also browse others' portfolios and potentially add comments to this. You come to your class page, click on Create. You can make a post that is only targeted to just the students or students and parents. You can also target by role. At this point of time, it shows up in every student's feed, and from there they can download and attach to their portfolio after completing it and scanning it or taking a photo from their camera. You can access portfolios that are pending review right from your notification center and then approve them. Once they are approved, they get added permanently to the students' portfolios. In addition, if you enable the student-to-student communication and the students are communicating, you get to see their communications right under your messages feed. This way, you don't need to be bothered with the notifications, but you can still oversee these communications.